Hi, my name is Ashk. Let's start today's class. My first bicycle. I still remember the day when I got my first bicycle. I got it when I was 7 years old. It was a four-wheeled cycle. It was pink in color. There was a beautiful picture of Barbie on my cycle seat. Every day morning I would ride my cycle. I loved to ring the bell. Whenever I saw people coming near my cycle had a basket. I always kept my favorite teddy bear in the basket. Afterwards, my father removed the side wheels. I was very I was very scared. Finally, I learned to ride a bicycle all alone. I was so happy. When I grew up, my father bought me a big bicycle. When I grew up, my father bought me a big bicycle. Now I ride it to school and also to some nearby shops. But still, I love my first bicycle and keep it safe in my house.